Have you ever wondered about testosterone? Many of us don't think about it, myself included. Testosterone is a hormone that is mainly produced by men. It is one of the key components that goes into male muscle development and fitness. If you are trying to get in shape, you are supposed to know what lifestyle choices and habits are lowering your testosterone level. Are you eating enough protein? What kind of nutrients are you getting in your food? Which carbs should you drop? How important is sleep for testosterone? Let's talk about that in today's video. Without any further delay, let's discuss 6 warning signs of testosterone in men. Number 1 is lack of sleep. Sleep isn't just for rest. It is essential for testosterone production. Average 7 to 9 hours per night is helpful to maintain vigor and support muscle growth. Number 2 is little to no exercise. You don't need a hardcore workout plan, but some movement is vital. Even simple resistance training few days a week can significantly boost testosterone levels. Number 3 is eating the wrong carbs. Refined carbs like white bread and sugary snacks can sabotage testosterone levels. Opt for natural carbs found in veggies, nuts, and whole grains for a testosterone boost. Number 4 is not enough proteins. Protein is crucial for muscle growth and testosterone production. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy in your diet to support your fitness goals. Number 5 is nutrient deficiency. Nutrients like zinc are vital for testosterone production. Incorporate foods rich in zinc, such as broccoli, asparagus, and lean meats into your diet. Number 6 is negative thinking. Constant negative thinking can deeply affect your testosterone level. Staying positive can help you boost it. Remember, maintaining optimal testosterone levels is essential for overall health and fitness. Join the conversation in the comments below and share your experiences. And if you're interested in more health and fitness tips, check out our other videos. Let's elevate our health and fitness journey together.